Are you on a low-carb diet and missing those roasted potatoes? Well, I've got a really fun replacement for you today that may surprise you. Stay tuned. Hi, my name is Katrina. Welcome to the Organixx channel, where every week we explore new recipes together in the kitchen to inspire you to make more home-cooked healthy meals. Today we're going to be making low-carb roasted garlic radishes. Trim off both ends of your radish. Slice in half and then in half again, quartering them into wedges. When roasting, it's really helpful to keep them all close to the same size. So for the smaller radishes, simply slice them in half. Take your garlic bulb and slice off the end and then pull apart the individual cloves. With the edge of your knife, smash the bulb and then remove the outer skin. Repeat this with each clove. Place your radishes and garlic cloves into a mixing bowl. Add in 2 tablespoons of either avocado or olive oil. Then add in 1/4 to 1/2 of a teaspoon of either pink Himalayan or sea salt, mixed in with 1/8 a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Toss everything together to coat evenly. Place onto a baking sheet and roast in a 400-degree preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes, or until your desired doneness, being sure to stir once halfway through. When your radishes are done roasting, sprinkle with 1 tablespoon of hemp seeds and then pop it back into the oven for 1 more minute. Toss everything together and then serve. We are ready to give these roasted radishes a taste. Those have such a different flavor than when you would eat radishes raw. It's kind of got a little bit of a buttery taste. There's a little bit of that spiciness at the end, but it's really nice. And I love the cayenne in there. I love the little bit of hemp seeds to give it a little bit of a crunch and add that extra protein. The garlic is amazing. This is a must. I hope you give this one a try. Thanks for joining me today. Hey, take great care of yourself this week, make healthy recipes, and join me next week in the kitchen. Bye-bye.